Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0373O, in color code 001. It's a black color frame. It has a double GG Gucci logo in gold inside of the temples, and it has the gold bumblebee logo on the bottom. This frame is made in Italy. These are demo lenses with the Gucci logo stamped on it. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.